All, welcome to the Live Love Lavender YouTube channel. I am excited to be here this morning. I just dropped my kids off. They're back to school, so I dropped them off. There's a nice little chill in the air, and it really feels like fall's here. So I'm excited because I'm going to be starting the cooking challenge soon. So if you're like me and you kind of hit the kitchen in the fall, I don't know what it is about getting ready for winter. I just always want to cook. I want to put food away. I want to make applesauce. I want to make pies. So if you're anything like me, then definitely join in our cooking challenge. It's on our Facebook page. It's super simple, nothing elaborate. Like most of you, I have challenges with my time and getting things done in a day. So I really like my crock pot. That'll be on there. Um, and we'll just kind of have fun and see what we can come up with. I do have a couple recipes I'm excited to share with you. So in the meantime, I wanted to show you how I transition my skincare to the fall. So this is my face serum. It's what I use to moisturize after I've washed, and I make this year round, but in the summertime I just kind of watch because some of the oils that are making me be a little more vibrant and giving me a little bit of a glow contain oils that have photosensitivity. So all of our citrus oils can be photosensitive. You don't want to put them on and go out in the sun. So those I stay away from during the summertime. But it's the fall, and I know that I won't be spending as much time in the sun, and I'm okay with adding some of those back in. So I kind of change with the seasons. All right. I am going to post in here a graphic. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at those graphics and you're going to see, you're going to find your base carrier oil. All right. And then you're going to add in the essential oils that are good for your skin. So you can tailor this to your needs exactly. Okay. So if you're dry skinned, if you're oily skinned, if you are sensitive skinned, if you're kind of in the middle, you can tailor this just towards you. It's really easy to do.
Let's get you set up for success. Take a minute to pause the video, read the chart, and find the carrier oil base that suits you. Don't be afraid to do a patch test to make sure your skin agrees with your choice. Next, we'll pick the essential oil combination that fits your skin just right. This should total between 10 and 20 drops. The great thing about DIY is that you can combine some of these oils to make a perfect serum just for you.
So the first thing that you want to do is pick the right bottle for you, because every morning you're going to do this to your face, or if you wash your face in the evening, you're going to add this into your routine. So you want it to work for you. You want it to be quick for you, and you want to tailor it to your needs. I choose to use just this little spray bottle. It's real simple and easy. I just spritz, rub, and then apply to my face. Okay, make sure to get my neck because that's aging too, right? Some people prefer to use a dropper bottle, so you can unscrew it, drop a couple in your hands, and then do it that way. It really is up to you. It's whatever works in your routine. So we have our bottle picked. The next thing you want to do is pick your base carrier oils. So this is going to be the bulk of what's in your bottle. And that reason is because your essential oils are so potent, you only need a few drops of those. Okay, I'm going to be doing mine, like I said, for dry, aging skin. So my go-tos are coconut oil. I use a fractionated or liquid coconut oil. And then I also use a little bit of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed has some stuff in there like vitamin A. It's just really good for your skin for any kind of damage to your skin. So I know I've been in the pool a lot this summer. I know that I will be outdoors in the wintertime, and so I'll have a lot of sun and wind damage to my skin. Grapeseed oil works wonderful. And then this is my fall recipe. As I get further into winter, I'll actually even add a little bit of vitamin E. Vitamin E is very thick and sticky, so if you are not a dry person like me, you're not going to like it at all. But I tend to need that on my skin as we move into the winter months. Okay, so then after you've picked your base carrier oils, you want to pick the essential oils that work for you. And again, refer to the list that I posted with this, but I'll share with you what I put in mine. So I put lavender in because lavender is great for all things skin related. It's very healing to your skin. It's just a wonderful thing. I also put in there a little bit of frankincense. So frankincense helps with aging, and it just kind of gives me that uplifting feeling. It's wonderful. I'm going to add in some oils. Remember, I spoke about having taken some out for photosensitivity during the summer. I get to add those back in. So a lot of those oils like joy or sensation, they add this glow to you, which I really love in the wintertime. During the summertime, I use straight ylang ylang, but I can add some of those back in. And then Davana's the new one that I'm trying. This is our new oil this year. It just came out in the summer of 2019. So I want to try to put this in. This is great for your skin, but it's also very uplifting and grounding. So I think that I would just benefit from having that on my face every day, right? Okay, so what you want to do is take your bottle. Took the top off my bottle. And remember I said that the bulk of what you put in here is actually going to be your base carrier oil. So add that in, leaving a little bit of room for your essential oils. And mixture here is up to you. So remember I said that I use mostly coconut oil because my skin is very dry. I use a little bit of grapeseed oil, and eventually um, I'll add in some vitamin E for the winter. Excuse me for just a second while I pour this. I can't multitask like I used to. All right, so I have this bottle filled up to about here. Don't be afraid to do half and half, or do more of one oil, less of another if you know your skin, and it will take a little bit till you figure it out. So I know that this is a good base for me. I really like this base, so that's where I start. And then I will add in my essential oils. Now, essential oils, you can do 10 to 20 drops total. So I know that I want to do, I'm trying to figure this out. I know that I want to do about 8 frank. 8 frank. Remember, I said that was for aging. It's very good. The lavender, too. I'll probably do about 7. 3, 7-ish. It's really hard to mess up these recipes, guys. So if it goes 7, if you drop in an extra one, it's no big deal. I'm going to put in a little bit of the ylang ylang for glow. And then I wanted to try some Davana too. So I did put in about 20-ish drops. Hang on. I really like that one. It's strange coming out of the bottle, but when I smelled the first drop, it smelled amazing. Okay, so that's it, folks. Put your top on. I mix it up. I shake it before I put it on every morning. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to label it. I don't know if my label came off, but you definitely want to label it. And then write down in your notebook what you just put in there. Because one of the worst things that can happen, and I know you guys have heard me say this tons of times, one of the worst things that can happen is you really like something and then the bottle's empty and you forget what you put in it, right? So say I get a lot of great feedback about how my skin looks with this. I'm like, this was wonderful. I want to do it again. I can't make it because I didn't write it down. Keep your notebook up to date with little tidbits, recipes, things you put in there. It's a great thing to turn back to. I have mine from years ago, and I turn back once in a while. I'm like, oh yeah, I remember making that. That was great. Let's do that again. Or sometimes I'm like, I turn in my notebook and there's a big X. No, it did not work for me. Broke out like crazy, just didn't work. So yeah, it's all good. It's great to keep track of those things so you find out what works for you, because the different chemistry of the plants is going to work differently for everybody. So what you saw today is my recipe. Do not buy all the stuff and make this just like I did. Don't. Look at the chart and find what works for you. Okay? If you need some help picking some things out, I'm here to help. The other ladies on the Live Love Lavender team are here to help, so you can contact us via email. My phone number is everywhere, via Facebook Messenger, whatever works for you. You have a whole team here, so use that knowledge. Create those relationships and make this easier on you guys, because this is a journey you're on, and the more help you have, the easier it's going to be for you. We're here to help you, okay? That's about it. Check out our new cooking challenge. That's going to be on our Facebook page this fall, and I hope you have a wonderful day.